Deleting a Zelle Payee in the Chase app enhances your account security and helps maintain an organized contact list. Let's explore why this matters and how to do it effectively. There are two main reasons to delete Zelle Payees. First, enhanced security by removing unused contacts reduces potential vulnerabilities. Second, better organization keeps your payee list clean and current. Method 1 uses the Send Money feature. Open the Chase mobile app, navigate to Pay and Transfer, then select Send Money with Zelle. Find the payee you want to remove and tap their name. In the Pay and Transfer interface, you'll see several options. Select Send Money with Zelle to access your payee list. Once you tap the payee name, look for an Edit option or three-dot menu. Select Delete or Remove Payee, then confirm the deletion to complete the process. Method 2 uses Manage Recipients. Go to Pay and Transfer, select Manage Recipients, find your payee, then swipe left on iOS or long press on Android to reveal the Delete option. Tap Delete and confirm removal. Remember, deleting a payee only removes them from your saved contacts. It doesn't affect their Zelle account, and you can always re-add them later using their email or phone number. When you delete a Zelle payee from your Chase app, it's important to understand exactly what this action does and doesn't do. Deleting a payee only removes them from your saved contacts list. It doesn't affect the recipient's Zelle account or their ability to receive payments from other people. You can always re-add a deleted payee later using their email address or phone number. The process is exactly the same as adding any new contact. Now let's cover the essential security best practices for managing your Zelle payees safely and effectively. First, review your payee list monthly. Regular audits help you identify and remove contacts you no longer need, reducing potential security risks. Second, delete inactive or outdated contacts immediately. This includes old phone numbers, changed email addresses, or people you no longer send money to. Third, always verify recipient information before making large transfers. Double-check names, email addresses, and phone numbers to prevent costly mistakes. Fourth, enable account alerts for any payee modifications. This way, you'll be notified immediately if someone tries to add or change payees on your account. If you encounter issues deleting a payee, here are some quick troubleshooting steps that usually resolve the problem. First, try force closing the Chase app completely and then reopening it. This refreshes the app's connection and often resolves temporary glitches. Second, ensure you have the latest version of the Chase app installed. Outdated versions may have bugs that prevent proper payee management. Regular maintenance of your payee list provides significant benefits for both security and performance. First, it reduces potential security vulnerabilities by removing unused access points that could be exploited by bad actors. Second, it improves app performance by reducing the amount of data the app needs to load and manage, making your banking experience faster and smoother. Following these security best practices and maintenance tips will keep your Zelle payments safe, efficient, and well organized. Regular payee management is a simple but effective way to protect your digital banking experience.